Let's familiarize ourselves with the components. First is the vacuum itself, the power adapter, a 2-in-1 charging and storage mount, an extension rod, and an extension hose. First, here are the 4 different types of nozzle. Mini motorized, 2-in-1 crevice nozzle, a 2-in-1 brush nozzle, and a soft roller nozzle. To install, you just need the nozzle, and then the extension rod for soft brush nozzle, and then the vacuum. Just insert it until it clicks. The first time I held the vacuum, it was a little bit heavy, but after a while, it feels lighter. The soft brush nozzle is actually recommended for floor, and so I could see that the hair falls that I have on the floor and my cat's furs were easily removed by the vacuum. I tried cleaning at the bottom of the TV rack, however, it feels a little bit difficult for me because I felt like the dust compartment would hit the floor, but just be careful when doing that. So, when it comes to changing the direction of the vacuum, it's really easy because the nozzle follows as well. Here's a peek for our first run at our dust compartment. Just look at that. Now let's test the mini motorized nozzle. This is recommended for deep cleaning action for removing mites and dust from mattresses and fabric surfaces. Now let's test it on our sofa. Let's test the 2-in-1 brush nozzle. This one is suitable for vacuuming up dust and mites on beds, sofas, and other furniture fabric. You can use the extension hose for this one and for the crevice nozzle. Here in the Philippines, it's common to have dust buildups on your appliances or your furniture. We're actually surprised to find out here under the cushion. Next up is a 2-in-1 crevice nozzle. This one is suitable for cracks, corners, or places that are hard to reach. So you can also use the extension hose for this one. As you can see, it wasn't that successful for the cat litter, maybe because it was grouped in one place, but overall it works well in cleaning out all the other dirt. With just a single press, you can easily open the dust compartment and remove all the dirt inside. To remove the cyclone assembly, just turn it counterclockwise and you can run water to it to clean it out. Overall, we are satisfied with the performance of Dreame V10 vacuum. It is portable, affordable, quiet, and can effectively clean different surfaces. So, if you're looking for a vacuum that can do a great job without breaking the bank, then this is for you. I cannot tell that it's the best since I haven't really tried the other wireless vacuums. So that's it for my review, guys, and thank you for watching. Please do hit like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.